Cukuru-inĩ wa gũthomithia maabitha a borithi wa Kigajo kaunti-inĩ ya Nyeri, maabitha aya kuma ceceni ciothe cia borithi gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ magĩte na mũgeni wa mwanya wa kũmahe mataro megamainie na mĩrimũ ya meciria. Ataramu aya magatarĩria mathĩna marĩa magũmagĩra maabitha a borithi rĩrĩa marĩ ũtungata-inĩ wao kũrĩ mũingĩ.
Mental disorders that are a little bit common among the officers is anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, and alcohol use disorder. Why is alcohol use disorder a bit common among the officers? Because at times alcohol is used as a coping mechanism. Remember, what they have gone through is traumatizing, and at times they don't know how to cope with what they are going through.
Ataramu aya makauga maabitha a borithi marĩ ũgwati-inĩ kuona nĩo metagwo kũrĩa kwagĩa mĩtino na mogwati matũũra-inĩ.
Research has shown that senior officers or generally officers, they are exposed to traumatic calls of service on daily basis, such as child abuse, survivors of domestic violence, road crashes, experiences that would regard them as being traumatic.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo, maabitha a borithi makorio metĩkĩre kũmatha motungata ma ũrigitani wa mĩrimũ ya meciria kuona no icũngĩrĩre o kwĩgera ngero kana kũgera arĩa makuhanĩrĩirie.
And the reason why we are here again is to create awareness for them to get to know what are the red flags when it comes to matters of mental health. We are here to enlighten them. We are here to give them the knowledge, and number two, the skill. How can they know whether they are mentally healthy? How will they know whether the officers under them are mentally healthy? Once they know that, once they get to know their mental status, then it becomes easier for them to apply the skills that we have given them today.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inoro TV, ndĩ cukuru-inĩ wa gũthomithia maabitha a borithi Kigajo kaunti-inĩ ya Nyeri, njĩtagwo Martin Mũnene.